to what do you call it? Like settle into the concept a bit faster, I guess.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So I don't have to like uh try to understand further. I understand like from here, I guess. From yeah.
Right. That is the minimum effect that we're looking for. And it's good that you're hearing your experience in that. So as we continue to try to do that, hopefully you'll experience more and more benefits.
Yep.
Hopefully understand. Do you have the future lectures, right?
I do. Right here.
Okay, zoom in a bit.
Okay, let me close up my camera so it's and let me zoom in.
Right. Anu, do you have the Jamboard shared with me?
Oh yeah, I'm currently typing.
Sure. Then when you share, just tell me. Okay, wonderful. This one. Chemical formula. Okay, one. Okay, this is very important. Okay, this is the structure was the structure topic is gonna be taken for granted, so as in you understand them throughout the next topics. For example, this topic. This topic is also going to be taken for granted that you understand. So these two things will be a foundation of whatever we are encountering later.
Okay.
So spending time and making sure you understand, asking any type of question you feel you want to ask is it's going to be good.
Okay.
So as per usual, we move on first. We try to answer, and you will encounter questions in your mind, and then please ask. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Oh, actually, I have one worksheet I think I can work on. I forgot it's. Will it be okay if we did the worksheet? This one.
Not everything. Let
Not
me
everything,
see the
just
next question. Yeah. Let me see the next question.
I think this one will be worth the time, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, because they say silicon carbide, then I guess that's a good practice. Okay, let's do 4 and 5. Let's see. Okay.
Okay.
I shared the PDF already.
Okay. I will. Okay. So Joshua, I've already copied the question, so I'm gonna delete yours. Oh goodness. Go ahead. Anyway, you can try to do it.
Okay. I'll try to paste it again.
No. I'll paste it.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. I'll try the question.
Okay. I missed your. Okay. So next time we name it then. Yep. Quadratic equations and graphs. Good. Understand. Okay. So I know we are trying to get it advanced, and of course, every time in division we are no longer in advanced, as in your class caught up with you, kind of something like that.
Yeah.
Right?
Our
you're
teacher
saying?
is going faster than like the other teachers. So.
Why is that so? Why is that so?
He just wants to like finish up everything first so that we have more time for revision at the end of the year.
Hmm. Not sure that's the best way, lah. But okay. But what? How do you feel about the speeding up?
Oh well, chapter 4 is like a very short chapter, so like I think it's not bad. But then like chapter 3, I find it a bit complicated.
Have we clarified all your doubts on chapter 3?
Uh, mostly I've yet to revise again and then like see if I have any other doubts.
Right. So in the midst of us, going in advance, the questions that comes to you during your practice, which is the past topics, right? So not in advance, but past topics, difficult questions, challenging questions. Those things actually take priority. So not being in advance is priority. That's not true. Since you're only doing 1 hour per week, the priority must be towards answering your challenging questions. Right? Then we finish that, then we immediately try to go in advance. Right? Okay. So for today, what should we do?
I already put a picture that like of something I don't understand.
On what's it?
It's on the
I
judge.
saw page 3. Yeah, okay. I'm at page 3. Now, I've read the question. Tell me what your question is. Tell me what's your... Write down what your question is. So whenever you place a question, which is nice, very nice, it's challenging. Tell me a little bit why, what you want, what you need, right? And
I don't know how to solve it at all.
So you're saying that how to start also a question, something like that. I understand. Okay. Now, Sec 1 factorization and Sec 2 factorization. Okay, Anu. Sec 1 factorization is kicking things out, right? That's what we learned first. Sec 2 factorization is the double bracket. It's weird, It's weird. To be fair, it doesn't feel like Sec 1 factorization, to be fair.
Yeah.
But they still call it factorization. So conceptually, that is a little bit confusing, right? So I will separate them as, Sec 1 factorization or kicking. So when you say kick, means, the Sec 1 lah.
Yeah.
Double bracket or Sec 2 factorization. Oh, okay, those weird stuff, which some more have a lot of types, some more, right? Something like that. Okay. So in this case, I will say something like this. All right, so I'm giving you a short way to start. Give it a try. Joshua, you start.
Let's see a bit.
So A looks
I don't know.
right. For A, the word gigantic. Somewhere you must mention the fact that they are gigantically. It's a gigantic structure somewhere along the.
Okay.
So that's for similarity, lah. The difference, you shouldn't say molecule because it's probably
it's
molecule, it's atom.
Atoms. Yeah. Okay.
You fix that later. So
Okay.
the physical property. Yeah. So because stating, you don't need to explain much, right?
Drill, I guess.
Explaining.
Because it's like diamond, right? I don't know.
Precisely. Your explanation will be very similar to diamond.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
almost copy and paste if they ask, right?
Okay.
So one use for silicon carbide, you can pretend it's diamond.
Okay. Sure.
So that actually is correct because I know what silicon carbide is. Work with it.
Yeah.
Totally hard material, very nice for drilling. Okay, good. Question 5. Oh, no. Oh. Okay, Anu, your Sec 1 factorization is very off. Don't erase anything. We don't erase our mistake, okay? We compare our mistake with the correct. Don't erase it. Now, what are you kicking?
The 2.
All right,
and the-
then kick out the 2. Because you kick out, then suddenly it's 2 square. It's very confusing.
Oh,
Right. Kick out the 2 right on the right. Okay, don't erase it. Okay, that's a good start. All right. The good news of secondary 1 kick is that it's obvious that we can kick, meaning to say, oh yeah, okay, obviously they have 2 ma, right? Okay. What you cannot do is kick out the square. That's like saying I'm gonna kick out the minus sign, or I'm gonna kick out the multiple. I mean, you can lah, but sorry. At this point, I'll just say no. You cannot kick out the square, even though both have square. Cannot, yeah. Cannot.
Yeah.
So, we cannot no longer do second 1 kick. Cannot. So we do some sort of double bracket law. Okay. So your teacher discussed the different types of double bracket. Is it in chapter 3 or 4? Just curious.
it's in chapter 4.
All right. Then I am going to introduce to you a few informal names, right? So the informal names here will be never mind. I noticed that there are only 2 items here: x squared minus y squared. I noticed that. The moment I notice this, oh, that means my double bracket can only be one thing. If it is only 2 items, it is extremely easy to guess. Right? So look at my guess. Let's press something. Oh dear. Okay, wrong. Right. So for x squared minus 1, so should have used that. Double bracket first, yeah? Would that be okay?
Yeah.
That's what my guess looks like. It's a plus and a minus. Is this enough here? Okay.
Yeah.
Why do I guess like that, Anu?
Because it's like x squared, so there should be like 2 x's, and there's like a y squared, so there should be like 2 y's.
I know, but my guess is the plus and the minus. Of course, the x and the y,
yeah.
you're definitely correct. So why do I guess that? My thinking process is very simple. I see only 2 things: x squared and y squared. X squared minus y squared. Oh, this must be the plus and minus. So later on, if I see more than 2 items, right, I won't be guessing this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so can you proceed from here?
Okay.
Right, give it a try. Joshua, are you stuck?
I'm a bit, because they ask to draw the last 2
Let me see.
remaining
Let me see
6
the question.
ions, sorry.
Let me see the question.
It's A. Here.
Um,
2 ions have been.
Okay, let me screenshot it.
Yep, sure. Do you need the diagram or the?
You can flip it. You can flip to it now.
Okay. Sure. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, page 4. Yeah?
Yep.
Completed. So, you will obviously know that the positive is Na plus, and then the negative is the Cl minus, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, move up, please. I cannot see the bracket.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Here's the thing here, right?
Yeah.
Positive neighbors are negatives.
Okay.
Positive neighbors cannot be positives. If that makes sense.
Okay.
But diagonal, because it's a bit further, it's not considered neighbors, right? So they are neighbors of somebody else, but not the diagonal. Right?
Okay.
So that should be enough. Give it a try. Yes, Anu, yes. Oh, okay, now you got it already. Now what happened to your x plus y? Oh, yeah, yeah, x plus y is 25 lah, yeah. So
Yeah.
for presentation purposes, right, so this is using that. So for presentation purposes, don't put this as 25, but just put it as x plus y. Leave it
Okay.
there, like, then you'll get it.
Oh,
So yeah,
but is it like for example, they only give us if they only give us this, then how do we find the answer? Is it like 2 times this and then 2 times this?
no, like you don't do the second one because they ask for x plus y, meaning they don't ask for x, they don't ask for y, right? If you wait, sorry, I'm missing something. Why do you say this? Why do you say 2 times this and then 2 times that? Why do you say that?
I was just asking, like, if in exam they ask us, like, for example, they give us this as a question. Then, like, how do we find the answer? Is it like this times this and then this times this?
Joshua, the white guy had one more neighbor, okay? The white guy had.
This one should be. This one should be a negative ion, right? The one this corner.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like a negative and then negative, positive, positive, right? Something like that. Because
Keep tracing.
yeah, okay.
Okay, Anu, I think I'm just checking whether it's a conceptual problem, yeah? This will be equals to x plus 3x plus 4x. So far, so good? Okay. Will that be okay? If you don't see anything, go out on the iPad. I'm writing in the next thing.
Oh, yeah, I can see.
All right, so this is okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay, now something slightly different. Okay. Equals to 2 times 3 times 4 times x, right? Is later on equals to my point is, the top guy, everybody gets x. The bottom guy, well, can't say that anybody gets x. The x is with everybody or everybody, right? But if you want to force the issue, I guess you can say that only one of them should get x, which is totally fine, right? Only one of them should get x. It can be the 3, it can be the 4, it can be the 2, right? If that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
But on top, clearly everybody gets. You can memorize this. I'll prefer that you understand this, right? Now, your question just now bothers me because you say 2 times 2.5 and then 2 times that. Now, you're implying that 2 will belong to both or should belong to both. However, I think that this is the example that's similar to the bottom one, not the top one.
Yeah.
So 2 will only be times 1. Makes sense?
Yeah.
So that, sorry, did that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. So for question 12, just a little bit curious that they don't ask for x or y, but they ask for x plus y. Turns out that's making our life easier. That's all. Right?
Yeah.
Any other question?
Yeah, I have more.
Oh, sorry, Joshua, I missed your diagram. Could you just go to...
I don't know if this is right. I tried like that.
Yeah, so everybody's neighbor are opposite of them. As an opposite means
yeah.
Yeah. So this is correct. As weird as this sound, this is correct.
Okay.
Because everybody's neighbor is, different.
Yeah. So this is 1 is because it's like the ratio is 1 to 1, right? So this connected to 1. And this one's connected to 1, I guess. I don't know.
Maybe you can say 4 to 4, easier. What do you think?
4
4
to
to
4.
4.
Yeah, yeah.
So 1
Okay,
to 1.
okay.
4
Yeah,
to 4 is 1 to 1.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
fine.
Okay. Uh,
Do you have problem with this one?
what does it mean when it says you cannot have? Because like this one, the ratio is different because it's 1 to 2,
So,
right?
correct.
But
So
this one
student 1 is 1 to
has
1.
this one
This
has like
one is
3 elements involved.
okay. Sorry. So I'll
Sorry.
check
Yeah.
something. Check some concept. SO4
Yeah.
2 minus, right? And it is
Mhm.
written out that way, and then sorry, without the bracket. And then Cu is 2 plus, right? So you have seen SO4 2 minus written as 1 unit.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
This is called a complex ion. A complex ion, I'm just speaking generally, okay? Generally, what you learn in O level, a complex ion will not be separated. You basically don't treat them like, oh, this
I
is
like to
sulfur and this
yeah,
is
and
oxygen. No, you just treat them as an
one.
entirely new thing.
Yeah,
So
okay, I
you
see.
don't have to bother about the 2 elements. Just consider it.
Mm,
So this is also 1 1. If that makes sense.
okay.
Therefore, your answer is clearly the 1 2 guy, and then something like that.
Oh, okay. I
Because
see it.
copper
Yeah,
sulfate is
yeah.
also 1
Mhm.
1.
Okay,
Good question.
okay. Yep, okay. Thank you.
So, Anu, did you paste something? Sorry, I'm not seeing it.
That was the wrong question. I'm like taking another picture.
I mean, I keep saying that, your question is challenging, good, keep praising you for asking the right questions. But I know it doesn't mean that you cannot ask simple questions, right? Doesn't mean that.
Yeah.
Don't feel that you have to ask something difficult or complicated. Right?
Yeah.
Same ionic ratio, maybe that's the word, Joshua, here. Or if you want to be more precise, same positive ion to negative ion ratio lah.
Okay. Yeah, okay. See.
Now, checking with you, positive ion is called cation and negative ion is called anion. Do you know that? Do you know that already?
Yep, I do.
Then this don't have the same cation to anion ratio. Look. Okay, that's better.
Okay.
So Anu, do you want some hint or what is your question?
Yeah, I need hint.
Okay. So the question is kick or double bracket?
Double bracket.
Because there is nothing to kick, right? Fair enough, right? Simple thinking. Okay, then which double bracket? Oh, double bracket. I'll say that there are 4 types, right? 4 types. I'll remind you that we went through one type today, which is the one just now, the plus minus one, coming from 2 elements only. 2 elements only. Is this gonna be the same type as last question, or is it gonna be probably same? Then give it a try. Let me see your double bracket. Okay, so Joshua, probably this is 2 marks. Don't know why it's 4 marks, right? Don't know why. Hey, since this is not before exam, if you are stuck, the question mark is in your mind, right? Okay, well, why is this 4 marks? I have no idea. I thought I explained everything already. Right?
Yeah.
Then it is a very good thing to therefore, receive the answer from your teacher.
Okay.
So your teacher is the type that discusses the answer, right?
Yeah, sort of. I can ask her
Good.
questions if I want to.
You mean this is not guaranteed to be discussed? Really?
She I think this is like one of the she's grading this, she's marking this, and then she's giving. I think she will go through it. She'll go through it. Yeah, she will.
So as a person to you, subjectively, personally, does it matter to you that you're not getting the 4 marks right now?
I mean, I guess it's more of in my opinion, it's more of the quality of the explanation. Because if it's like, if I get 4 marks, but it's not, I miss out most of the keywords, I guess. I don't know. It's
right.
Yeah.
So right now you're probably getting 2 marks with very proper sentence, right? But you're not getting the next 2 marks, and you are still okay with submitting this.
I think it's the whole question 5, right? The previous one as well. The diagram
really?
one.
Oh, really? Okay.
I don't know.
Maybe
I don't
you're
know
right.
about the two. I thought there was just like
Oh,
1 mark. I don't know about the
no.
other 1 mark.
Oh, you're right. All
I
right.
don't know.
Let's see
Yeah.
lah. Let's see. I'm also not
I'll
very sure.
yeah. Okay.
Alright.
I'll ask her. Yeah, I'll ask her about it.
Maybe one more if you can. Choose your question and then let's go a little bit of
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I know I like your double bracket. Like your double bracket. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, yeah. Hmm.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. No. I'll keep quiet. Yeah, you're almost getting something here, lah. You're almost getting something.
Mm.
You're trying it out, and I like that you're canceling. You're not erasing. I like that a lot. Yeah, use your answer in A. You're not using it enough. You're not. Definitely not using. Yeah. I see. Yeah, definitely not using it. Yeah, you need to use that. You choose question 6. Okay. Wait, Joshua, check your periodic table.
Okay.
Okay, Anu, I'm trying my best not to give it away. Yeah? I'm trying my best to stimulate your mind, but not just giving you the answer. Makes sense, yeah? You are
Oh,
not using this. You are not using this at all. Use it.
Okay.
Do you want something more detailed than that?
Like this is this. Oh.
No, you're not using this as a starting point. You are not using it at all. Okay, this is the most detail I can give you. Yeah? This is almost giving it away. Yeah? I don't see any 1-to-1 at all. I don't see any
But-
1-to-1.
But you have to use our answer in part A, right?
Yeah, as in not just this, but also this. That's really the hint. Really. This is your starting point. This is your starting point.
Okay.
Okay, good, Joshua. So you make some adjustment. Good. Yes, no 8 lah, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but you know why? Oh, good for you. Very good.
Yeah, I forgot it was 2-2. I had to lose 2, so it's just the inside.
Of
Yeah.
course, what you're doing is like normal, right? I mean, it's based on some understanding. But now you know that beryllium is, photon number 4 lah. So now it's gonna be 2. Good. The question is well designed, isn't it? Okay, Anu, okay, give me something. Yeah. Good. All right, this should be obvious to you. By compiler. Sure. Are you stuck, Joshua?
Yeah, I'm a bit stuck. When it says manufacturing rocket engines, right? Does it mean like the fuel, I guess, or like the
No.
combustion agent or something? I
So
don't
the
know.
engine will be the place where combustion happens.
Yeah.
Totally
Uh-huh.
agree with that.
Yeah.
Then but it's not the fuel lah, because the fuel of an engine is not the engine, right?
Yeah,
The
it's
fuel
not
is
the
the one
yeah,
doing
it's not
combustion.
an engine. Yeah.
So he's not saying that BEO is a fuel. I mean, to be clear, correct?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
BEO is used to manufacture the engine, right? So what is this question trying to aim for here? Any idea? Like what property is he aiming on here?
Oh, the is it the high melting point and high boiling point? Melting point, boiling point?
I'll pretend that it's not high boiling point because we don't want
Yeah,
our
because it's
engine
not
to
boiling. Yeah,
be in the
to be
case.
boiling.
Okay, so high melting point is relevant in rocket engines. Does that sound like it makes sense?
Yes, it does. Yeah.
Then give it a try. Give it
Okay.
a try. You
Yep.
are. This is the. If I say highest level, then seems very wow. I mean, it is like okay, but
Mm.
this is what they want out of students who think like, right? So they want you to be able to infer. Okay, I
Yeah.
know, but I'm gonna apply. So they just say it's just application question.
Mm.
But you are doing that, right? So I'm not
Yeah.
saying that you're right though. I'm just asking you, does it seem relevant? You say, oh yeah, it's relevant. Then you should give it a try.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So do you? I know you're right on track lah, but okay, yeah, see, okay, yeah. Now you're getting somewhere, right? Yes, I know. Okay, the question is confusing, but you are there. What?
Yeah.
No, don't expand it. No. The factor is not 90 and 11. Of course not.
Oh.
I mean, first of all, 90 times 11 is 990 lah. So that's wrong lah. You're so on the right track, You're so on the right track. Really on the right track. Come on. Factor is multiple of each other, right? So double bracket multiple of each other, Double bracket is a multiple, come on. Oh, you're so on the target, right? So this is a multiplication relationship, right? Right?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. 79 times 10. Yes. That is the answer.
Okay.
You get the question?
Yeah. It's a bit confusing, but yeah.
Definitely confusing. That's the whole point. Definitely. Right. Okay, good for you. Okay, so Joshua, your sentence, which is, I think you're aiming on all the correct things, but to make it slightly easier for us, inside exam, I feel that you should mention the most relevant thing first. So beryllium oxide has
a high
melting
melting.
point,
Okay.
which is useful. I mean, if you want to mention it is useful for rocket engine, good for you. You don't have to.
Yeah.
But if you want to write that down, it gives you a very good, like a very solid way of starting. It's a psychological thing. It's a psychological thing. Then you explain, then you explain everything else, which is what you do. Okay.
Okay.
So nothing wrong with what you did. You understand? Nothing wrong. But I think it's just better to start with that. You can try.
Okay. Sure.
Another question, yeah, with it. Okay, good. Okay, right, Anu. What kind of help do you want?
This I haven't done this yet, but it looked hard, so I wanted to do this.
Oh, it is designed to confuse. It is designed to confuse.
Yes.
Good for you lah. You want this? Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Now you will notice that my hint, whenever my hint is the same, whenever my hint is the same, and we are in, I'm sorry, shouldn't be mentioning this. Whenever my hint is the same, I'm not trying to I'm not giving you something which is, mindlessly repeating. I'm not. Notice that these are all difficult questions. Totally acknowledge. And notice that the hint is the same. What does that mean? That means that I believe that is the first thing that you must think about when things are hard. When things are hard. For example, exam, exam might be a hard question all the way. So look at my hint. The exact same hint as last difficult question, even though the question looks different. What do you think? Tick or double bracket?
I think it's already in double bracket, right?
No. The double bracket that we meant is the in times relationship. I mean, the 81 times a bracket, right? But both brackets are separated by minus. So that doesn't count as a double bracket.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Right.
I think we should kick.
Therefore, I ask you, what do we kick?
We can kick the
Think about it. Joshua, is it okay if we don't do this anymore? Do you think?
Yeah. I don't think I have any other questions to cover though.
Then can we go
To the
advance?
next, yep, to the next
Yep.
topic. Yep, sure.
Yep, let's do it. What do you think, Anne? Any idea what?
we can kick the X.
Let's clarify the concept, yeah? 2 plus 3 plus 4, right? Then can I kick the 2 up?
Oh, sorry, 1 second. Let me go in and out.
Yeah.
You can't.
Do you know why? You don't have to explain. It's probably difficult to explain, but do you know why you cannot just kick the 2 up?
Yeah.
Okay. Then your option just now is to kick out the X, because obviously there are X in both stuff.
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Probably because like it's there in both.
Wait. Getting careful here. Careful what you're saying. Yeah? So just present you with this. You cannot kick the 2 up, right? That's what I'm saying. But if I present to you this, then suddenly I can kick this 2 up. Really. That's what you're saying right now.
Oh, there's a minus in between. No wonder.
The minus, kind of, cannot lah. There's a minus here also. And a plus lah. What? Cannot. The point is cannot.
Yeah.
But do you need an explanation or you're sure cannot?
Cannot. Sure.
Okay. Sure. And being sure that you cannot is a very important thing.
Yeah.
If not, you will always look for it. Or even just do it lah, without care, which is very bad. So, kick or double bracket?
Double bracket.
This is you as if giving up on kick. Oh yeah, I cannot kick. Okay, but just for this moment, I tell you, you are doing the right thing. There is nothing to kick here. Nothing at all. So good for you. Then what is my next question?
Double bracket.
Which type of double bracket? Do you remember what's carbonate, Joshua?
It's I
CO3
know
2 minus.
CO3 too. Okay. Magnesium, so it's just CO3.
Wonderful. Mg, please. Mg.
Mg, my bad. Yeah.
Good. Okay, good. Anu, we'll call this the twin double bracket because it's twin, right? Right?
Yeah.
Twin
Yeah.
double bracket. Okay, just to be clear, you can be minus and here's a minus. Okay. Then what other types are there?
The negative one.
You mean A minus B?
Yeah.
I already put that for you.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That makes sense.
Um.
Right. Also still twin, right? Plus or minus, they're twins.
mm,
Okay. Then?
What are you asking, like the other kind of brackets?
Yeah, the other types of double bracket.
Oh no.
No. Yeah, no. Yeah, yes, no, yes. Good, good. Very good, huh?
And this
Wonderful. Okay. We'll call this almost twin. It's not twin, right? It's not really twin. It just looks similar. Almost twin. Any other types?
we only learn these in school.
Okay. Actually, you already learned one more before these two, the one that bears no resemblance to each other. So, for example, X. I'm going to use A minus 3, then A plus, for example.
Yeah.
Right, which is a normal double bracket.
Yeah.
Normal double bracket. You learn this before the twin and the almost twin. So the twin and almost twin, they say it's a special thing. Oh, I mean, okay, whatever, special. There's one more type, and we don't have to mention. So currently you have 3 types. Okay? The question remains. This is so complicated to decide. This is secondary 2 double bracket factorization. Which one can you apply here, you think?
This first one.
Which is here, right? Which is here and also here. Here's a twin and here's a twin. Now, look at what you're saying. You are proposing to expand. Correct? You're proposing to expand.
Yeah.
The other direction is the factorization type.
Yeah.
So, are you sure you want to expand this? You can. Let me just say that you can do that. You can do that if you want to. Okay. I'm trying to make you, very doubtful, because I respect you as a student. Factorize. Oh, you're doing the reverse. How is that correct, Anu? They ask you to factorize and you go expand. Are you sure you want that?
Like expand and then after that, like factorize will be easier.
Fair. Let's try to do that. Fair enough. That's it. Any problem, Joshua?
Just filling up the blanks, I guess, on this part.
Right. So I'm gonna zoom you to Sec 4, right? O level. The English will be easy, and the most important thing is the chemical formula. So you should be biased towards the chemical formula, not the English name. You should be. Yeah? The English name doesn't tell you all. The chemical formula tells you everything you know. That's why the chemical formula is much more important than the English name. Having said that, they will give you English name, and guess what? You're supposed to just simply know the chemical formula from the English name.
Yeah.
Right. So, go ahead. Oh, balancing. Okay, good. Okay, looks good. Anu. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, no, no. Okay, no. This will be wrong. This is also, oh goodness me, that's also going to be wrong.
Oh no, I thought like cause it's like a plus then minus, so just cancel out the plus.
Okay, okay. We have to discuss this. We have to discuss. So you are proposing that the answer will be x squared plus 2x, correct? Plus 2x and then minus 1, correct?
Oh,
I propose that the answer will be x squared minus 2x plus 1.
oh,
How do we know who is correct? How do we know? How
Oh.
do we have? Can we test? Can we test?
oh,
We can do this. For example, in exam, for example, you have a doubt here. Oh goodness me, which one is correct? I'm confused. Okay, simple. Put a random number. For example, 3. Okay, 3 into the x. 3 minus 1 is 2, so this whole thing should be 4, right?
Yeah.
So you put 3 here, you put 3 here, you put 3 here, you put 3 here. See which one gives you 4. Make sense?
Oh yeah, right. Okay.
Right. Okay, then you can kind of at least tell, okay, maybe this one is wrong, maybe the other guy is correct. Maybe. Okay, give it a try.
Hmm.
Which elements?
Eh? Do I put the x in it as well?
No, you put because you're just assuming that the x is 3, right? Okay.
Oh yeah, right.
So you just 3 squared, right? I'm a bit confused with the question because I thought you don't know mole ratio, for example. Have you heard of the word mole ratio yourself?
No, I haven't learned that. No, not yet.
I'm very suspicious that one of the answers is mole ratio, and yet you haven't learned them. Very weird, right? You haven't even
Yeah.
learned what mole is, right?
No,
So
no clue.
I don't know, maybe amount ratio, I guess. Right? One of the blanks will be amount ratio. I'm phrasing it in a way that you can accept, lah.
Yeah. Okay.
So Anu, you know which one is right and which one are wrong, even in exam.
Yeah.
Just take you a little bit of time to confirm. So that's something good to remember. Okay. Notice that I don't really care that you are wrong, but I do care that you know how to, find out lah. That one you should care, right?
Yeah. Oh, can
Okay,
I
so,
ask?
yes.
For example, it's like I did over here, x minus 1 square. So it's
Yeah.
like x squared then minus
minus 2 times 1 times x. Why? Because the formula says so lah. The formula says so lah, right? A minus b, there is no minus b here, just the b, right?
Oh.
And then this one is always a plus. Remember, it's always a plus behind. So always a plus. Then b squared. The b is only 1.
Oh, but I thought that time I thought like b is -1. That's why.
If not, then it won't be a plus b and a minus b. They tell you a minus b, and then that indicates that only the one is the b, something like that.
Oh, okay.
Right. So good that you clarify that. But even if you forget, there's still this.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, good, Joshua. Yeah, nothing weird with all that.
Between liquid and aqueous.
Yeah, totally correct. Totally correct.
What's
the balancing. You're saying.
What's the difference between liquid and aqueous?
Right. So liquid
Yeah.
is pure liquid law. And aqueous is
There's some-
definitely something dissolved in water. So it's a mixture between, you know, the water and the whatever is whatever it is.
okay. All right, I see. Okay. All right.
So it turns out that it matters a lot. So it turns out that being aqueous matters a lot.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. Okay, so the balancing will be great. The balancing is what we want, and the balancing will be met.
Yeah.
It's hardly chemistry.
Yeah, I did this last year as well. In my
Oh, you
interview.
did? Oh,
It's-
really?
It's so bad. Everyone is struggling with it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let me show you the mathematical technique. That's very simple.
I think I'll just skip to the balancing part. I think that'll be.
Yeah. Let's practice a balance. Let's practice.
We can try this one. Let me take a screen.
No, let's not do the ionic one. This is no. No, ionic equations are simplifying the
Oh, okay.
normal
Never
equation.
mind.
No, that's not. You cannot. You have to balance first. Then you go to ionic. So do the balancing from the two questions. The two questions. So you do this. No, you have to do this. No, yeah. No. Flip. Yeah, this one. The one at the back. Those two. D and E. You have to do D and E.
Okay, sure.
Right. So let's balance after you write down everything.
Oh, okay. I see. All right.
Balancing
Okay.
doesn't happen at the start, Yeah. Okay, so Anu, okay, so you're going through with your approach and those are not nice stuff. Yeah, those are not nice stuff. Did you miss anything? No, you didn't. Oh, except for the fact what? Okay, no, you did a mistake here. So okay, it's fine, and there's no square here. There shouldn't be a square.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Oh, right. Yeah.
Okay, so Joshua, you write down the K, correct? H2O, correct. You need to write down the potassium hydroxide and the hydrogen gas. If you don't know, then I can give you a hint.
I know like the what do you call that from the word itself. I know how to do it, but like from balancing out, I don't really.
Okay. So calm down. Your Sec2 experience will no longer be true. You will be good at this. However, listen to me. Your balancing starts only after you write everything.
Okay.
After you write everybody's chemical formula. So balancing doesn't happen before that. It is totally useless to balance before the chemical formula is written. Totally useless.
Yeah.
So write down the potassium hydroxide.
Okay.
So Anu, you are, I believe, yeah. Anu, do you know what to do after this?
I have to factorize it.
Which is okay. Like Anu, so we are not gonna torture ourselves with difficult numbers. Okay, why don't you just use your calculator first to check whether there is an answer or not? I mean, there should be lah, but just use your calculator. Do you know how to use your calculator to factorize? Good.
I kind of forgot.
Hydrogen gas, Joshua. Hydrogen gas. Where's your hydrogen gas?
Sorry.
Where's your hydrogen gas? Jamboard page 6.
Hydrogen gas.
Jamboard page.
Oh, because there's an extra H.
No.
Right.
You're thinking too much. They already tell you, so put the hydrogen gas.
Oh wait, okay, never mind. Yeah. Okay, I see it.
They already tell you, right? Okay, good. Now this is the point where you balance, though. Only now you balance. Now take your pencil and let me see your balancing skill. Now for you, Anu, take your calculator again. Remind me 96 or 97 SG.
What?
Your calculator.
Oh, 97.
Okay. So your balancing will be the numbers in front, yeah, Joshua. So no need arrows, no need anything.
So this one.
No. The number in front. Oh dear. Okay. This is my first time. So I know you go 96, right? Okay. Hey, sorry, 97. 97.
Yeah.
97. So you press a menu, right? Menu,
Yeah.
and then 5,
Yeah.
and then polynomial or something, is it? Choose the
Yeah.
polynomial one. Choose the polynomial one. And then power 2 lah.
Okay.
Then they ask you for ABC lo.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Alright, and then you put in your ABC and then get some weird looking answers.
Oh, it's a very big decimal.
Decimals are not good. Decimals are good. Okay. Right. So both of you hit a rock at the same time, right? So Joshua, I'll settle with Anu because one
Yeah,
more
no
minute,
worries.
right?
Yep,
Okay.
no worries.
If you're stuck with this, just go to E first, just write down
Okay,
because
yep.
because that's already good.
Yeah, okay,
Anu,
sure.
I'll quickly show you the preferred method, right? And then you will do a comparison, and next week maybe we'll settle whether this is actually factorizable because I believe it can be done, right? But we're gonna be a bit confused here, right? Ding dong, right? Okay, so method 1. Strictly speaking, nothing wrong lah. Really, strictly speaking, nothing. Now method 2. This is for question A, right? Okay, so look at me doing something lah. I hope you can
Yeah.
follow what I'm doing, right? So I am be blind to this square. Be blind. Be totally blind. I'm so sorry. I did the wrong thing. What am I doing? Here. I'm supposed to do that. Okay. Okay. So is it correct that this is going to be that?
Yeah.
And this is going to be that, right? So be totally blind with what is inside. What is inside? Just see the fact that this is something square minus something square, which is definitely one of the double bracket types.
Yeah.
They are which one? Which one would that be?
Is it
The almost twin again. The almost twin again.
Yeah.
Right. So of course it looks confusing, but we just have to follow the almost twin. We just have to write down big bracket, another big bracket, something plus something, something minus something. That's the preferred method if you can see it.
Yeah.
Good questions. We are not settled here. I'll see you next week. And if you want to ask this again, please do. Okay? They are not easy.
Okay.
I'll see you. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay, Joshua. So I'm back, Joshua. Okay, so
Okay.
before this is crowded, I'd like to answer. So observe how I do balancing. Like I said, it's mathematical technique, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do I start is extremely simple. I will start with the guy which only exists in one compound or one element each side. That sounds like a mouthful. My point is this. There are K, H, and O. There are K, H, and O, right?
Yeah.
K only exists in one thing here and one thing here. One thing on the left and one thing on the right.
Oh,
Very good start.
okay. I see.
Very
I
good
see.
start.
Yeah, okay.
O exists in one thing and one thing. Also
Yeah.
a very good start. Doesn't matter one. You can start with K and O. H is totally not a good idea to start because it exists in 1 and 2, which totally complicated.
Yeah.
Right. So now I will start with O just to show you that I can. Right. Okay. So what is my conclusion when I start with O? Very simple. This is O 1 and this is O 1.
1.
So this must be 1 1 lah, right? To be very
Okay.
clear, Joshua, nothing stops it from being 2 and 2. So you keep an open mind lah. It can be 2 2. It can be 3 3. The point is the ratio is 1 1 lah. That's the point. But I'm going to start with the simplest number, which is 1 1. right? Nothing wrong with that.
And then you
Okay.
change afterwards, right? If there's a
Okay. Yeah, and then I'll just change to fit whatever I give
corresponding
later. lah.
to the
Correct,
H2. Yeah, okay.
Correct. I rest in the knowledge that it'll be 1-1 or 2-2 or 3-3 or 4-4, but never 2 and 3. Never
Mm.
3 and 5, I mean, it's
Yeah.
an easy thing. It's an easy. Now, I've settled my O, right? Simple, right? So should I now go settle my H? Is that a good idea?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
No.
Settle the K lah.
1. Okay.
Because
Yeah.
K
Yeah.
is
Because it's,
easy and O is easy.
yeah.
And then suddenly, out of the 4 boxes, I do 3 already. 3, which is almost certainly correct one. It's going to be 1-1-1 or 2-2-2 or 3-3-3, whatever lah.
Mm.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Only now I settle the H. Only now. I'm going to settle the H later. Now look at the 4 boxes on the second one. There is a zinc, there is O, and there is H. So same thing lah. There are 3 things. So which one is a good idea to start and which one is not a good idea to start?
Zinc. You can say
It's a
it's
good
1.
idea to start. So 1-1 lah, right?
Yeah, 1-1.
Anybody else is a good idea to start?
Chlorine.
HOCl, sorry, HON. H is not a good idea, right?
Yeah.
O is not a bad idea. Okay, Cl first. Okay, Cl. So
Cl.
observing Cl, what do you do? One here, right?
There's 2, right? So
Two there.
2
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah, okay, 2. So you're left with O and H. Who is anybody else a good idea between O and H? H is not a good idea, right? H is not. Is O a good idea?
Sort of, because that's to open up
No,
the bracket.
it is. One
It
here
is.
and one here. It is. So you have 1 here. So what do you put here?
1.
Oh.
2. Sorry. 2.
For some strange reason, you do all the easy stuff. You seem to have solved the H. However, you're not sure because you never actually solved the H.
Mm.
Time for you to simply confirm, right? 2 H's,
Yeah.
2 H's, total 4. 2 times 2, 4. Done.
Okay. Yeah.
In conclusion, do you do things from left to right?
Uh,
Do you do that from left to right? Is that what I teach you?
I guess not, because it's
No,
like
yeah, totally not. Yeah,
pick the
no, like
easiest one.
just take the 2 easiest one, take the 3 easiest one. Really, that is the whole technique. No matter what. Yeah, Ainesh, I can see you. Yeah, I saw you just now. Can you hear?
Hello.
Yeah, good, Ainesh. Okay. We can still type. Okay, you can still type.
I can talk, but typing is also okay.
Yeah, let's conserve your Let's okay. So Joshua, settle the last box here. Settle it.
Sure. Oh, okay.
So Ainesh, today we're gonna do physics. Okay.
Physics.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah.
We could do math. I think we could do math as well.
Shifting to math. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, today is supposed to be physics, lah. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's continue from tomorrow. Tomorrow. Sorry. Yes. Yesterday. Integration, right? Shall we do that?
The same Jamboard?
Yeah. Let's save time. Let's see. Right.
Alright.
Because there isn't much update, right? I mean, that's it, right? Right. So it's still yesterday.
I mean, tomorrow's the last day of school. That's all. Yeah.
What is tomorrow? I'm sorry. Why is tomorrow last day of school?
Friday is I don't know, some SJ holiday. I don't know.
Okay, I'm not complete. Okay. So let's go quickly to yesterday's page, right? Do you know how to deal with integration tangent square already?
Wait, hold on, I need to find which one is it.
Right. So okay. Kyoko, I can see you, yeah? Kyoko, I can see. Kyoko, if it is does it make sense to continue from yesterday's Jamboard? Kyoko, you're muted. Yeah? Joshua, your answer there is 2, right? Okay.
Because
Four
when
on the
you
left,
four on the left,
right,
four on
right?
the four on the right.
No, 6 on the right.
No?
That's right.
Wait.
For some
So
reason, your KOH is 2.
No.
Because I don't
Yeah.
get where the 2 comes from. I don't get it at all. I
uh
mean, we started off as 111, right? So
Yeah.
why do you feel? Oh, I know why you feel the need lah.
maybe this one it's like one. I guess.
Yeah.
This one's one, and
You
then
want 2221 lah. 2221
yeah,
better lah.
2221. Yeah.
Yeah, 4 and 4. You miss out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Joshua, remember, simple math, right? Simple
Yeah.
math. But the only technique you need is easy, then hard.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Practice more. You will always have something to practice for the balance. So you practice that technique, okay?
Okay.
Easy. Hard. Easy. Hard. Okay. Move on to ironing. If you can cover that, that will be nice. So Kyoko, can you hear me actually? Kyoko, you're muted. Okay. Ainesh, have you found page 17? Sorry, are you in page 17? Move quickly.
Yeah, I am now.
Okay, good.
I saw this.
Have you finished this guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me your paper, and then let's continue from there. For integration, we probably cannot jump. We cannot skip anything at all. Integration is that.
I have some questions on page 18 that we could do.
Oh yes. Show me your paper. This is not on your paper. So why are we doing this? This is, some of them are tough lah. Some of them.
The teacher said that like he strongly recommended those who didn't do well in the test to do this, including me.
But the test is not integration, right?
I mean, the future test will be integration.
Right. So in sacrificing the class note or together with the class note?
It's okay if you don't do this. I just want to see the difficulty of the questions that he wants us to practice.
Okay, let's do it lah. Let's do it. Video, paper, come, why?
Okay.
Kyoko, I still cannot hear you. Are you okay? Can you hear me? Unmute, please. Unmute. You can't use mic, Kyoko. Why can't you? Okay, never mind. We're not going to troubleshoot. We're going to communicate using typing, yeah? Right? So I'll still ask you vocally sometimes. So are you clear with page 5 question, Kyoko? Because I'm not sure whether you're done or not. Page 5, are you okay or not? Yes, okay, understand. Do you need some other help with that question, the page 5 one? Okay, good, understand. So are we sticking to the question in page 6? Is that so? Okay, good. Do you type or write what you need for help? Okay, gotta communicate, right? Papers, please. Alex. Yeah. You go write something about what you need for help, right? Is it the reading? You don't understand the question, how to start? Okay. Yeah. If you're reading, no rush. Okay, Ainesh, you say you want to take a look. So Let's do it lah. Don't just look. Come on, let's start. Ainesh, are we starting? Ainesh?
Yeah, hold on. Need to find something.
Let's start quickly. Joshua, are you stuck?
Yeah, I'm a bit stuck on this part. Yeah. What does it mean by like, because it says ion produced, right? I don't know how to, what do you call it? Split it, I guess. I don't know.
No, you're actually doing it correctly. So H plus Cl, oh my goodness, it's not H minus Cl plus, it's H plus Cl minus.
Oh yeah. Because it's, yeah, okay. So it's just this, right? You just leave it like this, or do I?
Yeah. NaCl same thing, right? So
Okay.
you will know NaCl, right?
Okay. All right.
There are some that you may not know, but most of them you should. Ainesh, we're still not starting yet. Ainesh, what's going on here? Like, come on. Are you doing something else? What's going on here, man? Let's start, man. Yeah, a bit wrong, Ainesh. Fix it. Just a little bit. Thank you. Okay, moving on to the next one. Joshua, you can take a look at something. Right?
Does it mean it should have 2H or no? No, right?
No, I've written something in the gem.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Good, Ainesh, you're using something. Oh, you're sure you're still not fixing it yet?
What?
Joshua.
Oh,
Anish, I
okay,
see
sure.
you're using the. Oh, still make some minor mistake, Anish, please. Minor mistake. Minor.
Why did you make it into
Minor mistake, Anish. Minor.
I fixed
Stop
it.
guessing. It is wrong, Anish.
What?
why did you make it into OH minus? How did you know how to make it into OH
The
minus?
water. Oh, the water one is specific. Pretend that I'm just telling you the specific.
Oh, okay, all right.
Anish, write down the identities. Write down the identities, please.
Well,
Wait a second. Yeah, correct. That's right. Okay. Apply this properly to your situation. Apply it properly. Apply it properly, please.
is it 4?
Stop asking me and think.
I think it's 4.
Stop asking me where is your mistake. Think. There is one more. Are you guessing or what?
No,
Why is it plus?
because something was up.
Thank you. Next question. You're sure I fixed something? Eh?
Two minus. Oh, okay. Shoot. So this should be 2. Wait, no.
No, yeah, it should
No,
be two.
that should be 2, and this one should be 3, I guess.
No. There's no CU2. There's no 2 CU there. There's no 2 there. It's CU, CO3. CU2 plus, CO3 2 minus.
Oh, okay.
Anish, are you waiting for a hit?
No. Is there identities in this? Because it does have to find the paper. Hello?
Yeah, I'm typing.
Oh,
Identity is not the only way to eliminate. You can try though. I mean, fair enough. You can try identities. Like you probably should. Do you have your identity list? Yoko, why are you stopping here? Sorry, why are you stopping here? Why do you stop? I don't know, Kyoko. I don't know, but this, look at this. This is one equation with one unknown, right? This is one equation to one unknown. So regardless of what you're supposed to find, you can find X first lah. You can lah. Regardless of what you're supposed to find, because it's the nature of one equation, one unknown. You can find it if you want to. Do you want to? Regardless of whether you don't know where you're heading lah. I acknowledge that you don't know where you're heading. Fine. Okay. Okay, that's fine. The chemical equation balancing, Joshua, at the very least, the ionic, let teacher teach.
Oh, okay, sure.
Interesting, Anish. What you're doing is very interesting. Good. Very interesting.
is it the final answer or can I simplify?
Anish, your mic is terrible, yeah?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, is this the final answer or can I simplify?
I don't understand what you mean by simplification. Now you're supposed to integrate, right? You're supposed to integrate. Squares are trouble, except secant square.
That's true. Okay.
Oh goodness me. Your B is not done. Your B, you haven't integrated the, oh goodness me, your B is still, your B is, okay. Think very clearly. Find your mistake on B, please. Your B is not finished. Huh? Okay, Kyoko, we're going through the same thing as last time. Thinking, you have a position, you have a half coordinate. What can you do with it? Anesh, are you doing C or B? Why are you stopping? Why are you not holding your
B,
pencil?
right? You told me to find a mistake for B. I'm trying to find it.
You mean by Googling?
Googling.
Yeah, because you're not holding your pen or pencil.
Okay, I'll hold it.
5x is the integration of 5, correct?
Yeah.
Is 4 secant square x the integration of 4 tangent square x?
No, 4 seconds.
You still don't get the hint. You still don't get the hint.
No. Oh,
Have you?
I got it.
Thank you. Hey, Kyoko, give an example, Kyoko. Let's say you have a position, right? Half a coordinate. For example, if you want to, you can find the y coordinate. I'm not sure whether that's useful or not, but you can. Okay, I'll leave it to you to think whether it's useful or not. Just don't be stuck. Just do something. Also, another example is if you have an x position, you can feed it to dy dx and it'll give you the gradient number. Right? Is that useful or not? You think about it lah. But there are many things that you can do with a position. Just the normal things anyway. You got more space, right? Maybe you just, go to the next page. Very good, Anesh. Very good. Good. Hey, Joshua, are you basically stuck, I suppose? Oh, you are trying to do things. Okay. Have you balanced the one before? Right.
1, sorry.
Yeah, Anesh, do you have the answer key? The one after this, the next. Anesh,
No,
you have the
no.
answer key?
No.
Yeah, then you just have to keep this lah. Keep this paper lah. Usually you lose your paper immediately lah. Like tomorrow you lose this paper already. Do you think you can take a picture afterwards? Just to keep the picture lah. Right?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, sure. Right. Okay, now see please. Have you balanced this one, Joshua?
I guess so, because
I agree.
one
I agree.
CL, one CL, one NA, right?
Right. Yeah. So I totally agree with you. So the last thing that I will ask you to do so that you will pay attention to the ionic tomorrow. Ionic, you listen to the teacher. It's actually a very simple concept. I'm going to ask
Okay.
you to split NaCl, split AgNO3, split AgCl, and split NaNO3.
As
So
an
split
ion of its own, right?
Yeah.
Like with the charge.
Except,
Okay.
I'm sorry, except for silver chloride because it is solid. Solid cannot split.
Oh.
Only
Okay.
solid cannot split, aqueous can split. And that's why aqueous is important. So split
Oh,
everything else
okay.
except AgCl and then see what your teacher say tomorrow. And then
Okay.
I'll see you next week. Right?
Sure. Okay.
So Anish, you are finishing that. Okay, good. Okay.
Uh,
Right. Moving on. Anish, come on, moving on.
sorry, I can go right now, right?
Yeah. Oh no.
No? One more minute?
Split first, then go. Split then
Okay.
go.
All right. Sure thing.
Your mic is terrible.
Hello, is
Okay.
D very easy?
Small trick.
Chain rule.
Anish, listen carefully, very carefully, yeah. Yeah, because I saw you do this yesterday. Yoko, if you're stuck, tell me why are you stuck?
What am I supposed to look at?
Try something. Okay, good, Joshua. Yeah, I'll see you next week.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you not doing reverse?
Your mic is terrible. I keep saying that, right? Keep saying that today.
Okay, I'm gonna change the tag.
Yoko, your thinking process is too straight, yeah. I'm sorry, yeah. This will be confusing for you. Okay. I'm gonna give you hints so that you think, okay? And that's your weakness right now. The moment they change, you don't know what to do, right? Okay. Now use it for finding other things. Go and use it for all other things that you can do. Reverse chain rule is fine. I don't know about removing 7 lah, Yanesh. So give it a try, please. Just try. Yoko, you don't know what else we can use position for? Yeah, I don't know why you ask questions though. It is true that position, if you feed to dy dx, they will give you gradient, right? Okay. Right. It is true. That much is you know that is always true. You know that. Anesh, you are not holding anything, yeah? Come on, man. Are you doing something else
I
here?
put my question.
Come on, Doody, please. Doody.
Oh, there's a question on the Jamboard.
Yeah. That's fine. I already answered just now. Next, I want you to try something, even though you're wrong. I want you to try something. Kyoko, are you stuck? Okay, let's stop here. Let's stop here. The thinking process, we just cannot communicate. We'll stop here, but we'll visit again tomorrow. We'll keep visiting so that your brain calms down a bit. Okay. If I tell you the answer, there's no point. There's really no point. That's not the point of this question. Right? Can we move on to the next question, please? Right. We're gonna revisit this question. Anish, have you tried something? So not yet, not yet. All right. So please try something. Right. Please try something. Okay, good. You're trying something. Good. Right. Good. Okay. Try again for the other guy. Try. Try, Anish, try. You're full of doubts, but try. Very interesting. Okay, very interesting. Now, I'm gonna copy your. I won't tell you the answer so that you can discover it yourself and have a large boost of confidence. Now, this is how you evaluate. Differentiate back. Differentiate back, please, Ines, to see whether you're right. Kyoko, do you have other questions to practice? I mean,
Yeah.
we try to get ahead of class lah. We try lah, not just stick to hard questions. I mean, I'm happy that you're practicing hard questions, but we can also get ahead of class. That's also important, right? Anish, I asked you to do something. Do it quickly.
I am correct.
Anish, you are wrong. Please differentiate back.
Right.
Kyoko, are you stuck finding out what to do? Are you like scrambling to find questions? Is that what you're doing right now? Write something for me. No, what are you doing right now?
Finding the question.
Okay. Anish, what's the differentiation of sign?
Cosine.
All right. The differentiation of sine is cosine. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the minus then?
Mm,
Thank you very much. Now it's correct. Plus C, please. Highlighting the fact that your over 7 is correct and your over 5 is correct. Highlighting that. Excellent. Doesn't mean that your sign is correct. Okay. I'm very particular with that. But you do a lot of things correct. That's not a praise.
Not afraid.
Will you please? Will you please? Kyoko, what is your question?
Is this correct?
How do I ask you to test? Oh,
Differentiate.
well, to be fair, it's not bad. To be really fair, it's really not a bad guess. Okay, differentiate. Yeah, differentiate back. You'll be able to fix it then. This is a very legit informal technique. Just differentiate and adjust instead of just hoping that you're correct. It's a totally legit technique. Your teacher will not teach them. Aiyo. Come on, Ainesh, you keep making the same mistake all over and all over. It's the same mistake again. It's not okay for a secondary 4 student. Come on, man, find your mistake, man.
Is it the plus C?
Even yeah, I agree that the plus C must be there lah. I agree that you will lose mark if not. But you keep making this. Just look at question. Look at question A. What was your mistake? Question A. What was your mistake?
Minus cosine differentiate.
Okay,
Integrate.
yes, yeah. Minus. Question B. What's your mistake? Minus. Question C. Any mistake?
No.
No, absolutely brilliant. Except for plus C lah. Fine. Plus C is a mistake. So go and plus C. Question D. What's your mistake?
Minus.
Does it surprise you if E the mistake is the same? Does it surprise you? Like, is Pikachu surprised every time? Oh, you're guessing again. That's how you deal with minus. You just
No, when you differentiate
Oh.
cosine. I forgot.
What is the differentiation of cosine is?
Differentiation of cosine is minus sign.
So where's the minus? You keep. I don't like the way you deal with your minus. You're not going anywhere with this. What's the chain rule for 2 minus 5x? What's the differentiation of 2 minus 5x?
Hey, hold on. What's going on? It'll be minus. It'll be. Oh. So minus 5 comes out?
Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
So after you differentiate, there's no adjustment to make, is it? I mean, the reason why you're differentiating is to check, right? No adjustment? No adjustment means well, good, you're good lah. You're sure? No adjustment at all. Right? Okay, fine. I'll let it be, yeah. Right. Okay. So moving on to the next one. The next one looks actually quite similar.
It's a minus 5, right? I divided by minus 5.
You are dividing it with minus 5. Yes, correct. So is there an adjustment or not?
That's the adjustment.
So minus on top and bottom. Okay, I understand. That's what you mean. Right. So there is an adjustment. Okay. Some improvement. Good, good.
All right.
Come on. 2F, 2F. Don't stop. Don't stop. Yoko, answer the question. This topic is, oh, okay, discriminant. Does it look like discriminant? Apply discriminant. Don't forget, tell me. Your discriminant ya. Oh, goodness me. Kyoko. Anish, you're stopping, is it? You're stopping? No? Come on. Right. And plus C. And without any delay, immediately differentiate. Stop considering in your mind and start differentiating quickly. This is what you need to do in exam. Don't dilly-dally. Differentiate. You're correct? You sure? Good. No adjustment. Huh? According to you, no adjustment. Right. We'll keep it that way. Question 3 will be harder, yeah? Good identities. Good. Good, Anish. First time I see you reach the identities paper. Like it? Kyoko, yes, no, I don't know, yes. Like the question mark means, I don't know what. What is it? What does the question mark mean? Now, if the y needs to be always increasing, then this guy always positive, correct? Oh, goodness me. You absolutely cannot draw that. Oh, no, you can. No, you can. Of course, you can. Of course, you can. Okay, Anish, move up, please. Move up, please. I mean, you're heading in the right direction, so I like it. I like it a lot. Move up, please.
It's because
Kyoko, I wrote something, Kyoko. iPad in now, iPad in now. Kyoko, I wrote something. Right, okay, draw, yeah, draw. Okay, yeah, nice, nice, nice. This is always positive. So this means the discriminant what? Anish, have you finished the question A? Sorry, I thought you haven't.
yeah, I did.
Wonderful. Thank you.
I'm doing B now.
Yes. Kyoko, don't stop. Kyoko. Jamboard in, out. Don't stop. What are you talking? Kyoko, do what you think is Kyoko, at this point, do what you think is correct. We already discussed all the discriminant you need. Where is your B? Where is your A? Where is your C? Anish, why are we stopping? Anish, where is the problem, right?
I'm looking at the identity.
Good, Kyoko. Let's move to the next page. Create a new page, put the same question. Anish, is there any identities that will directly apply?
No,
All right, then you sound despondent. What else you can do with quadratic? Square, what else can you do?
I can expand.
Right, then let's try lah. See what happens, right? Stop mulling, yeah. Start doing. Stop mulling, start doing. Good. Any idea what to do, Anish?
I'm gonna rewrite. The square is not supposed to be there, yeah? The square is not supposed to be inside, okay, Anish? That's a presentation problem. The square is in the middle. Good, thank you. Kyoko, why are you stopping here? Anish, your identities application is wrong. It's fine. I don't know.
If you insist,
It's fine. Now it's fine.
oh, yeah. Good, good, Ainesh. Good, Ainesh. You're handling the quadratics well and gaining knowledge. C and D, please. Ainesh, don't stop, yeah, Ainesh. Yoko, kindly check the answer key. Yoko, this is almost a difficult question. It is not a medium question. It is almost a difficult question. If you think that you need to memorize the steps, you are wrong. Except you want to get B lah, getting A cannot. Do you understand the flow of thought? Kyoko, look, where communication is limited here, you cannot just say you don't understand. Then I'll keep asking you where. Is it everything? Is it here? Is it there? Come on, it's not the first time I ask you where. What do you not understand? Think first what you don't understand. Is it everything? Process is good. Very good. Process is good. Ainesh, why is your question C different from what's going on here? Ainesh, sorry. Why is your 3C different, Ainesh? Why are you inventing a new question?
Oh, I copied on 2. Oops.
You don't even remember that you did this just now?
Yeah,
Oh, that wasn't a phrase. Ainesh, at least write down first. I wrote answer, yeah, Kyoko, yeah. If you don't see it, go in, go out. And at least try something. I know it. Anesh, you don't know that you. Anesh? I'm okay with you trying stuff, okay? I'm just not okay with you never learning from it. Okay, what you did just now is wrong. Try to learn from it. Could you please try something else? There's no logic here. Just try something, please. Try something to eliminate
No idea
the
how to
division. I know that you have no idea. I know. Try something. I noticed that you know about the cotangent thingy.
Huh?
Yes, Kyoko, you factorize. Cotangent is what?
1/10.
Write it down first. Yes, Kyoko, yes. Kyoko, yes. Continue from here. Focus on the bottom guy. Anesh, bottom guy. Yes, Kyoko, are we? Bottom guy. Simplify the bottom guy. Anesh, did you hear me?
No, I don't know. I don't understand how to.
Simplify the bottom guy. Just combine them, please. You did one fraction correct. Okay.
It's wrong.
No, you did one fraction correct. No, you're fine. You're fine. You did you did the flip correctly. Wasn't so bad. You still have division. Division is still a very annoying thing. Like totally, like it's just totally annoying, right? And the division is still not eliminated. Is it possible to do something else here? Is it possible? Our goal is still to eliminate the division if possible. If possible. Can we do something here? You remember the identity is good. The division is not gone, but maybe you like this more. Still have division. Still must do something lah. Still must. Let's see whether you can go. I don't think you're on the wrong track, Ainesh. Even though this is already fourth step, and we are not, solving the problem yet, but you are, I think, on the right track. So don't stop. What is going on, Kyoko? Oh, Kyoko, go to the next page. Oh, Kyoko. Go to the next page. Right. Oh, your foundation is. Ganesh, don't stop. Do something. I know it's weird. Just do something.
Oh, I'm seeing a couple steps into the future.
Right. Try something. Just try. Ganesh. You make a mistake, Ganesh.
As a mistake.
Yes. The overall approach is brilliant. You still make a mistake. Fix and find that mistake. Oh, I'm gonna so whack you, right? I'm gonna so whack you, right? Thank you very much. Oh, I'm gonna so whack you. I mean, you're brilliant, and this is not a difficult, it's not an easy question. Listen to me, Ines. Square is a problem in integration. Division is a problem in integration. Multiplication is a problem in integration. Everything is a problem in integration because we don't have rules. We don't have product rule, we don't have quotient rule, we don't have chain rule. So
there's
the
no
last
steps.
multiplication thingy, you still have to eliminate the multiplication. You have done so many brilliant things, and yet you still have to eliminate the multiplication in order for the integration to stand a chance. Sin x times cosine x is a trouble in integration. It is trouble. Eliminate that multiplication. Look at your identities.
So we sign
Look at your identities. Yeah?
sin 2x.
Excellent. Thank you. Then you eliminated the multiplication, and then you can integrate. Now, Kyoko, I've seen your drawing. Now, any idea how that happened, or you still have no idea why the drawing is like that? Any idea right now, or no idea? Wonderful, Anish. Good, good, good. Looking forward to it. What is that? Why is your drawing like what? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Is your Desmos acting up? Sorry. Why is your Desmos? Let me check. Are you sure about this? Are you sure about that? Once I praise you, mistake again, isn't it? Once I say you're brilliant, you make mistakes again, isn't it? Why is your Desmos here? What is going on?
Done?
Have you differentiated to check quickly? That should be second nature by now. Don't trust yourself too much. Differentiate.
You want me to differentiate this all the way to the top?
No. Just for the last one. Just for the last one. Just for the last one. It's fine. Don't panic. Don't panic. Kyoko, I'm not sure what's going on here. This is my Desmos. It looks normal to me. Looks very normal to me, right? Do you understand the drawing in my Desmos? Okay, is there any, do you know why your Desmos is different? Uh, okay, Ainesh, have you differentiated?
Yeah, that's correct.
Wonderful. This is your toughest so far. Maybe D will be your toughest now. Maybe.
Is this an exam question? Like harder than exam question?
No, C is a normal exam questions. Up to C, you're just learning stuff. You're just learning stuff up to C.
You are so hard.
I'm not sure what you're expecting out of math. I'm not sure. Right? Okay. It's not a joke. Never a joke. Right. Now it's correct, right, Kyoko? Your Desmos is now normal, yeah? Is it correct? Good. Now, do you understand how to draw this? It is something very important for your email someone. Can you draw this now by yourself? Is it possible? Yeah, you focus on the roots. That's correct. Yes. Something that you have done like countless times in EMAT lah. At least I expect that out of an EMAT student, yeah? Very good. I mean, I hope you get it. Now look at the previous page. Can you draw that? Ainesh, zoom help your phone focus, please. Good. Ainesh, oh, it's out of focus here. Try again. Okay. Ainesh, what is a problem in integration?
Anything. Just anything.
Tell me what anything is. I mean, plus and minus is not a problem, right? What is it?
Division.
Division is a problem. In this case, division is a problem. So what do you do?
I'm gonna find an identity.
Eliminate lah, or I mean, whatever lah. Whatever you do lah. Yeah, this should be the hardest thing that you will be doing lah so far. This should be. Actually, no. Actually, this is very easy. I'm so sorry. I take my word back. This is extremely easy, man. Oh, this is easy. This is just easy, man.
So did I overcomplicate C then?
No, I don't think so. I don't think they overcomplicate. Just see your teacher's work. Kyoko, I mean, are we done with the drawing, or do you still have a problem with the drawing? You do need this lah. You really need this for email and from email. So if there's a problem, let's settle it. Ainesh, do something. Looking at identities is a good idea. Do something, please.
Alright, so what I'm thinking is, but I don't want to go into like 8 steps before confirming with you. So
just try to lah.
No, because I mean, if I do what I did for like 3C, it'd be like 6, 7 steps before I realize I'm going nowhere.
You seem very stingy with math, right? Okay, I'm not going to answer your question. I want you to try. You seem to have an idea. Try.
But you said it was easy, so I mean, it looks as difficult.
It's easy for me.
Okay.
Kyoko, again, do you have problem with drawing or are you settled? Where are you writing? Okay, Kyoko, you're asking the wrong question. Kyoko, you are asking the wrong question. Let me change the question. Answer that question first. Yes or no? Okay, at least you're trying something, Ainesh. Good. I like seeing you try something. Kyoko, how is this different from the next page? How is it different? Please be clear. How is it different from the next page? Then how come your next page you have no problem, but this page you have problem? I agree that it's not different. So you can draw, right? What is confusing you right now? It is no different. By right lah. Square is a problem, right? Except then minus root 12, right? Yeah. Yes, correct, Kyoko. Yeah, correct. There is no difference even though it's third. There is no difference. Okay, Ainesh? I'm not sure that you're right or wrong, but it looks like a good job to me. Take a picture, Ainesh, because you'll lose it. Take a picture and where do you keep the picture? No, where do you keep the picture?
In the Jamboard.
Just can you take your picture to school so that when your teacher discuss, then you can compare?
Oh no, I'm submitting the pictures to him online anyway. So yeah.
Okay. There are 10 more minutes. I want you to do your lecture note thing. I want you to do your class note thing.
Oh, I want to defuse myself early because I feel part of these.
Yeah, you will. Yeah, but I'm sorry, no mercy. You'll have your rest in 10 minutes. Kyoko, is this okay or not? If there is any question, please ask. I know I keep scolding you, but what else to do? You have 10 minutes. You can rest after 10 minutes. One more question, maybe the next one. Ooh, tough. Actually, not really. Page 11, Kyoko, the logic is not very different. Try something. Ainesh, where did the A come from?
I was in class. I copied it down. I didn't really understand. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, it's differentiation. What the heck? Oh goodness me! Example 8 is the ultimate. Oh, you did. Oh, you're now doing the ultimate thing.
I'm in the what?
Anesh, you're in the ultimate thing. Now, Anesh, here is how you know you're in the ultimate integration. When they ask you to differentiate and then hence integrate, you are in the ultimate integration question.
What?
You are in the, oh my goodness, oh wow. You have never done this before. Differentiate and then integrate, hence, and then integrate is the ultimate integration question. Congratulations, you are there. Did the class stop at 8?
Yeah. I mean, this is just regular product rule. I forgot what the name is called. Whatever that is.
Yeah, the product rule is fine because differentiation works right in differentiation. I mean, product rule is for differentiation, correct?
Yeah.
Now the hence.
Wait, where did
Okay.
the minus go? So, I forgot the minus, right?
I think you forget the, yeah, I think you forget the minus. Yeah. Oh, that was important. Okay, watch what I'm doing and try to understand. Don't memorize, okay? Watch, watch. So far, so good, Kyoko. So far, so good. Continue. Kyoko, because I cannot hear you. Are you feeling sick? Are you feeling sick or tired?
Recovering. Feeling
Because you're
better.
sick, do you want to stop now?
No, I'm recovering already. It's okay.
Okay, then for another 7 minutes, okay? For another 7 minutes.
Mm.
Now, Anish, watch what I do, yeah? Watch what I do. Answer me in the Jamboard, okay?
Not what?
Note.
Note.
Okay, yeah? Okay, yeah? First step, take note. Second step,
Wait, so this is just equals to divided by everything else.
let's stop. Let's just stop and follow my second. Follow my second. My second step, you understand?
No.
I need my integration sign, right? I need it. Note. And so what I did is from question A. From question A, I integrate left-hand side and right-hand side. Just doldor ma, nothing special. I'm just doldoring. Understand? Do you understand? I'm just doldoring.
No.
Doldor integrate. Whatever I do to the left, I do to the right, correct?
Oh, okay.
I integrate the left-hand side, so I integrate the right-hand side. Loh. Simple lah.
But why do you put it in the middle? Why don't you just integrate everything?
Yeah, so that you don't make a mistake lah.
Alright.
It's gonna be important anyway. It's gonna be important. Integrating everything means integrating this one. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Both separately. Correct, right? No confusion there, right?
Yep. Hello?
Yeah. Why do I want to do that? Because of this. Do you understand? That's my main reason why I want to do this. Because I want to match with what they are asking for. That's my motivation. Understand?
Okay.
Now, notice the third thing. 3. Oh, goodness, that's not 3. Integration and differentiation cancel each other. These are gone.
Yeah.
So now rewriting.
Okay, but you're making something simple look a little bit more complicated. That's what I see so far.
I understand.
Ah,
Please wait. Are you okay with 4-step? Tell me the integration of cosine to x.
minus integration sine to x divided by 2.
Very
Divided
good.
by 2.
Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Good. Ah,
Yeah, plus c. What do you write? What is this?
get the marks. Get the marks.
I'll get the marks.
I'm done, Ainesh. Time to absorb. Time to absorb.
What did you just do? Hold on.
I'm gonna repeat the essence of what I'm doing. I'm gonna repeat the essence of what I'm doing. This guy is trouble. Multiplication is trouble. Why?
Okay, no, wait.
No
Give me a
product
second
rule.
to understand first. If I don't understand, I'll ask you.
Kyoko, stop doing the same mistake. You're an A-math student and you. Kyoko, explain why is that a mistake? Explain why that is a mistake. Stop it. What is your next step? Oh, goodness me, did you just fall to a trap? No. No.
Wait, what about the okay.
Kyoko,
I
no.
understand everything except the minus. Why is there a minus here?
Where?
I circle.
Oh my goodness. You are correct. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. This should be
Yes.
my. Wait, no. No, you're still wrong. Still wrong. I'm still correct. This moves. What talking about? This moves to the left hand side. Why?
What? Hold on.
Just think. Just think.
Okay.
Kyoko, are you stuck here? Let's say that this is your dy dx. Are you stuck here? Okay.
Oh,
For
okay,
the
okay,
last
I
step
understand.
today. Yeah, okay, good. Erase
Oh.
and redo lah. Erase and redo. This is the ultimate. So erase and redo and try to understand. Come on, Kyoko, do something first before we end today. That thing. Thank you very much. We'll talk about it tomorrow. This is not easy. This is almost a GC question at this point. It's not easy to settle this one. So,
Wait, I'm going to leave the Jamboard because I want to keep it in the Jamboard. I'll leave it so I don't see it. But I'm going to do my question.
okay. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Both of you. Right?
Bye.
All right. Bye, Ainesh. Bye, Kyoko.
Bye. Have a good night.
Bye.